Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm adding heat transfer vinyl onto a fanny pack. These used to be really popular, I believe, in the 80s, but they are coming back in style, and I wanted to make this one look a little more fun. It has the perfect spot on the front to personalize it however you like. I sometimes like to wear these as crossbody bags as well. First, I'll show you how I put my font together in Cricut Design Space. First, I'm going to grab my text. The text I'm using is called Bright Burn. I found this font off of the Creative Fabrico website. This is great for finding fonts and SVG images and sublimation images, but here's the font right here. I also just recently did a video on the Creative Fabrico website because they have a deal going where you can sign up for their membership for just $1. So I wanted to talk about it just really quickly again in this video because it's just such a good deal. I've been downloading things like crazy, but when you sign up that first time, it'll be just $1 for those 30 days. Then it'll renew for $19 a month. If you decide that you don't like it, then you can cancel it before it renews to that $19 a month. But during that first month, you can download fonts, images, and it's just a really good deal. I'll leave a link for that dollar access down in my description box if you want to check it out. I'm going to type in stuff in all caps. I thought that would be really cute on a fanny pack. Okay, I'm going to make this a lot bigger. It's easier to look at it and honestly easier because I'm going to add an offset. I'll go up to my offset button and I am just going to bring this down a little bit. I've used this offset so much since Cricut's added this. I absolutely love it. It's so fun. As I'm dragging the scale up and down, you can see a thin line here, so that gives you an idea of what size the offset's going to be. I'm going to try that. I think that looks super cute. Now what I'm going to do is change the colors of these before I size it. I'm using neon heat transfer vinyl. I've been super into this vinyl for the summer, so you might have already seen me use it on some of my other videos, but the offset layer is going to be pink. It's going to be kind of a neon pink, and I'm actually going to move this down. I just wanted to make sure that this looked okay, so I'll just hit undo. It looks good. Now what I want to do is I am going to make the letters orange and yellow. So to do this, I'm just going to select ungroup. Then I'm going to grab my S and make that one orange. I'm going to grab the T and make that one yellow. Now I'm just going to go over to my color sync. This is easier for me than going up and changing each one individually. So now I'm going to make my U orange and my F yellow and then this F orange. I want to attach the colors together. You don't have to do that. You can individually piece it together. But I usually find it easier to attach colors. So I'm going to select on the F, hit shift on my keyboard, and then select all the orange. Then I'll come down here and I'll select attach. Then I will select the two yellows and hit attach as well. Now I'm ready to size this, but I need to group everything together so it all sizes as one. My width is going to be 5 inches. So I will just come up here, double click and select 5 and hit enter. Okay, I'm done with that, so I'm ready to go to the Make It screen. Since I'm using heat transfer vinyl, I need to mirror all of my designs. Then I'll hit continue. Then I'll just select everyday iron-on for my setting. I put my vinyl on shiny side down on my cutting mat. I also like to use a brayer tool to press it down when these are in rolls. It really helps it stick to the mat. The brand of vinyl that I'm using is Caesar Easyweed. This is pretty much my go-to, and I love that they have these neon colors. I bought it at Michael's, and I can leave a link down below if you are looking for these as well. After the Cricut is done cutting the pink vinyl, then I will add my orange vinyl to the mat. I just follow the prompts in Cricut Design Space where it shows me what color it's going to cut next. When that's done, I just cut out around each design, then I weed all of the excess vinyl out. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press Mini and I set it to the medium setting. Then I grab my heat press mat. You'll need some type of mat or towel to press the fanny pack into. I always preheat my blanks beforehand because it helps get the moisture out for the vinyl to stick to better, and it always gets the wrinkles out. First, I set down my offset layer since that is the bottom layer. It wasn't sticking down too well, so I added heat resistant tape to both sides. After that, I add a Teflon sheet. You'll either want that or parchment paper to protect the bag. Then I run my Easy Press Mini over that. Cricut says to do this for 25 seconds, but since I'm layering this design, I do it more like 15 to 20 seconds. Once that's done, I remove the Teflon sheet and the carrier sheet. I've never added vinyl to a fanny pack like this before, and I was shocked because it just stuck down so well. Now I add my orange letters. I only run my Easy Press Mini over this for 15 to 20 seconds. Again, since I'm running my heat press over it multiple times, I don't want to do it for the full 25 seconds because the vinyl can shrink. I also forgot to mention that this bag is made out of polyester. It said that on their website, so I used the polyester settings on Cricut Design Space. Once that's done, I remove the carrier sheet, then I add my yellow letters, and I run my Easy Press Mini over this for the full 25 seconds just to make sure that everything is heated through and stuck down well. Then I removed the last carrier sheet, and here's how it turned out. I'm obsessed with it. I just think it adds so much to it, and it's just super cute. I also like to wear this, like I said, as a crossbody bag. I wish the band adjusted a little bit bigger because it was a little tight for a crossbody, but I'll show you how I'm wearing it here. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you subscribed if you are new to my channel. It's completely free and I post tons of Cricut and crafting videos.